on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round and round. The doors on the bus open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus open and close, open, close, open, close, open and close. The windows on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down, up, down, up, down, up and down. The lights on the bus go on and off, on and off, on and off. The lights on the bus go on and off, on, off, on, off, on and off. The shocks on the bus go boing, 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 boing. The shocks on the bus go boing, 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 boing. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The sign on the bus says stop, stop, stop. The sign on the bus says stop. Everybody's gotta stop for the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, but it's time to say goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.
It's Monday morning in 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Yeah!
And that means it's the start of a new school week. Boom Boom isn't really a morning truck, so he gets a little help from Ollie.
Monday!
Monday is Bolt's favorite day of the week because on Mondays, the young trucks practice jumping.
Wahoo! Yes! Yippee! Yeah! Woohoo!
Oops.
Tuesday!
The young monster trucks like to drive fast every day. But on Tuesday, they also practice stopping quickly.
Uh-oh!
Boom Boom has his own special way of coming to a stop.
Oh! Wednesday!
Wednesday is the third day of the school week, and Wednesday is for drifting.
Uh-oh! Oops! Thursday!
Dragon looks forward to Thursdays all week long
Yeah!
because Thursdays are for crushing.
Yes! Friday!
Ladybug's favorite day is Friday
Yippee!
because on Friday, the trucks learn to spell.
Woo! Woo! Yay!
Saturday is the first day of the weekend.
Yippee!
So Saturday is for doing whatever the trucks want, like driving sharp turns or climbing hills.
Yahoo!
Or crashing.
Oof!
Playing in a half pipe.
Yeah! Yippee!
Or looping the loop.
Woo, woo, woo! Yay!
Or just bouncing the day away.
Yahoo! Sunday!
Sunday is the perfect day for napping. An activity even Boom Boom can't mess up. Perhaps I spoke too soon.
Oops! Oh!
The young monster trucks will get a chance to do it all again next week, though. On Monday, they will jump. On Tuesday, they will stop. On Wednesday, they will drift. On Thursday, they will crush. On Friday, they will spell. On Saturday, they will play. And on Sunday, they will rest. At least as long as Boom Boom will let them. When you're a monster truck,
Yes!
every day of the week is awesome.
Uh-oh! Eek! Oh!
In the wonderful land of 𝗕𝗯𝗆 our 7 friends are rushing to school.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
The trucks are very excited today because they're learning all about the months of the year. The first month is January. We begin this month by celebrating the new year.
Yay! Oops!
The second month of the year is February, when we celebrate our loved ones on Valentine's Day.
Aww!
The third month is March, when we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you follow a rainbow all the way to the end, you might find a leprechaun spot of gold.
Woohoo!
That one is just a picture, Boom Boom.
Oh!
The fourth month is April. April brings in spring.
Yes!
April is often very rainy. But as the old saying goes, April showers bring May flowers. Because May, the 5th month, is usually sunny and warm.
Uh-oh!
The 6th month of the year is June. June is often the start of summer vacation
Yeah! Woohoo!
and fun-filled days on the beach.
Huh? Uh-oh!
Well, June days are fun as long as you're not being chased by bees. The 7th month is July, when many people celebrate Independence Day.
Yay!
We celebrate with flags and barbecues and
Uh-oh! Oh! Oops!
the 8th month is August, the hottest month of the year. In August, young monster trucks run the risk of overheating, unless they have plenty of fans.
Whoa!
September is the 9th month of the year. In September, monster trucks get to go back to school and learn so many wonderful things.
Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
10th month of the year is October. October is the spookiest month because it brings us all the scares of Halloween.
Yeah!
But it also brings lots of candy.
Yahoo!
November is the 11th month. It brings us the Thanksgiving feast of yams and cranberry sauce and turkey.
Yeah!
That's not a turkey, Boom Boom.
Huh?
It's a chicken. And it is definitely not cooked. The 12th and final month of the year is December. December brings snow and winter games and lots of holidays.
Ta-da! Whoa! Uh-oh!
And then the months start all over again. Try to say them with me this time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Every month of the year is so exciting. Almost as exciting as learning.
Yeah!
Come back next time, won't you? You know the months of the year now, but you never know what we'll learn next.
Woohoo!
Today in 𝗕𝗯𝗆 School, the young monster trucks learned all about opposites. When two ideas are as different can be, we call those opposites.
Yeah!
Opposites are easy to learn once you get the hang of it.
Yahoo!
Oh!
It looks like Boom Boom may have taken hang of it a little too far.
Oops! Thanks, Ollie. I should learn to be careful like you.
On their way home, the trucks were excited to show off all the opposites they had learned at school. Now, it's time for some monster truck fun!
Yeah!
As Bolt speeds higher and higher on a construction beam, he practices going up,
Wahoo!
while Boom Boom demonstrates going down.
Oh!
Oh, Boom Boom, how did you get down there?
Oh, don't ask.
Down is the opposite of up. Down is the opposite of up.
Yes!
Careful Ollie drives slowly through the streets of 𝗕𝗯𝗆.
I like to go slow. Whee!
Meanwhile, Ladybug and Buzz prefer to drive fast.
Faster! Whoa.
Fast is the opposite of slow. Fast is the opposite of slow. Ladybug moves ahead of Buzz. Now she is in front and Buzz is behind.
I'm right behind you.
Front is the opposite of behind. Front is the opposite of behind. Now they are racing in the same direction, but Ladybug turns left while Buzz turns right. Left is the opposite of right. Left is the opposite of right.
That was fun!
In order to help Boom Boom, Star must go past the hole and then stop. Go is the opposite of stop. Go is the opposite of stop.
Yes!
Instead of going forward, Star backs up to the opening. Back is the opposite of forward. Back, back, back is the opposite of forward.
I'll help you, Boom Boom. Grab my tow line.
Boom Boom was stuck in the hole, but thanks to Star's kindness, Boom Boom is now out of the hole.
Woohoo! I'm out!
Out is the opposite of in. Out is the opposite of in.
Yeah!
Star and Boom Boom are near the hole that Boom Boom fell in,
Be careful, Boom Boom.
while the other monster trucks are far away. Near is the opposite of far. Near is the opposite of far. There's a very large pipe in the road. Ladybug skids around the pipe,
Wahoo!
while Dragon drives straight through it. Around is the opposite of through. Around is the opposite of through. Bolt jumps clear over the pipe.
Over!
But, of course, Ollie decides to drive carefully under the pipe.
Under.
Over is the opposite of under. Over is the opposite of under.
Wahoo!
Bolt just landed on Ollie. Bolt is now on top, and Ollie is on the bottom.
Thanks for the lift, Ollie.
Top is the opposite of bottom. Top is the opposite of bottom.
Yeah! Wahoo!
Paying attention in opposites class has definitely paid off for the monster trucks. They are doing awesome! The road is splitting. 4 of the trucks decided to turn, while the others stay straight. Turn is the opposite of straight. Turn is the opposite of straight.
Yeah!
Ollie, Buzz, and Dragon take the lower road, while Bolt, Ladybug, Boom Boom, and Star take the higher road. High is the opposite of low. High is the opposite of low.
Curvy roads are so much fun!
Uh-oh. Eek! Oh.
Uh-oh, maybe too much curvy fun for Boom Boom.
Are you okay, Boom Boom?
Yeah, I am just a little tired.
I think it's time to go home.
It's been an exciting day in Truckopolis for all these young trucks. Luckily, all roads lead home where they can refuel and rest their tired engines.
Yeah!
Tomorrow waits with more fun adventures.
Bye!
Good evening! My name is Harry Blue, and we're revving up for another exciting show. Tonight's exhibition game is for a good cause. The ticket sales all go towards the charities that each of our players have selected. And the lucky winner gets to contribute $200,000 more to his or her charity. That's right, $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash. That's right, green, which I understand is blue and yellow combined. Let's take a look at our lineup. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
It's no mystery why we call him Bolt. Yes, fans, he's as fast as a lightning flash. Bolt is playing for his charity, the Blue Mountain Housing Project.
Yippee!
Next up, we have Ladybug. She's best known for her grace, beauty, and fearlessness. She is one fierce competitor. Ladybug is playing for her charity, the Red Hill Oilers.
Yeah!
Finally, we have Buzz. Buzz is a silly, cheerful little fellow who buzzes around with great speed and agility. Buzz is playing for his charity, the Yellow School Bus Company. First up is Bolt.
Yeah!
Like a flash of lightning, he's going to try to take out 10 targets in 10 seconds.
Woohoo!
Yay!
And he did it! Does Bolt ever cease to deliver? I think not.
Yahoo!
Next up is Ladybug.
Yippee!
Ladybug is going to attempt to take out all these targets while flipping through the air.
Yay!
Ladybug took them all out. She is fierce.
Yeah!
Finally, there's Buzz. Using his startling agility, Buzz will take out targets that are scattered all throughout the course. Only this time, we decided to make the targets a little more colorful. Some are red. Some are blue. Some are yellow.
Awesome!
And he buzzes off. Look at him go! Wow! Are my eyes playing tricks on me, or are those targets changing colors? Yes, they are! The yellow paintballs are causing the blue targets to turn green! One of the secondary colors! Why do I have a sudden craving for a glass of orange juice? Maybe because Buzz's yellow paintballs are causing the red targets to turn orange. Another secondary color. Oh no! It looks like Buzz needs a little break. Who will take his place? Hey, what do you know? It looks like Ladybug is here to save the show. Now it appears that her red paintballs are turning the blue targets purple. The last of the secondary colors. Boats riding back onto the scene.
Yeah!
And what do you know? There is such thing as teamwork. And look at all those colors. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle of a rainbow. Now the question is, which of these fierce competitors is going to take $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash to the charity of their choice? We have Bolt,
Yeah!
Ladybug,
Yippee!
Buzz. It seems as if our trusty applause meter has determined that it's a tie. They will all split the money and take back some serious green cash to their favorite charity.
Yippee!
What an awesome show they gave us today! The Monster Truck Show for Monster Sports fans! Drive home safely, folks!
Yeah! Yahoo!
Good night!
Hey, kids! Well, you're in luck. Here come the monster trucks!
Yay!
Yep, it's time for an awesome alphabet rhyme.
Yippee!
Now, there are 26 letters from A to Z. Let's have some fun. Come rhyme with me.
Yippee!
A is for axle. It helps the truck's tires spin. B is for boom boom. There he goes again.
Oops.
C is for cab, where people sit and look about.
Yeah.
D is for door, for getting in and getting out. E is for exhaust. It helps regulate airflow.
Yeah!
F is for fenders. They protect the tires below. G is for grill. It lets cool air in.
Yes!
H is for hood. It covers the engine. I is for ignition. It helps turn the truck on. J is for jump. Let's jump. Come on.
Yippee!
K is for key. It turns the ignition.
Vroom!
L is for lights to help with night vision.
Ta-da!
M is for monster. Monster trucks. All right.
Woohoo!
N is for nuts. They hold tires on tight.
Yes!
O is for oil. It keeps the engine running smooth. P is for premium. It's the best fuel to use. Q is for quarter panel. There are 2 on each side.
Yahoo!
R is for ramp. Watch the trucks jump real high.
Yeah.
S is for shocks. They go up and down. T is for toe, to pull things around.
Oh.
U is for U-joint. It makes the back wheels turn. V is for vroom. Now watch them burn. W is for wheel. They go round and round.
Yeah!
X is for XL, the largest tires we found.
Yeah!
Y is for yellow, a blinking signal.
Yeah!
Z is for zigzag. Come on, let's wiggle. You've learned 26 letters from A to Z. And lots of truck parts. Easy smeezy.
Yeah!
Now, since you're a pro, and you know what you know,
Yahoo!
let's pick up the pace with an alphabet race.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo!
been such an awesome time.
Yeah!
You did great learning this rhyme. But finally, it has come to an end. Thanks for being my alphabet friend. See you next time. Woohoo! Hooray! Keep on trucking, my friends.
Yeah!
We'll be back another day.
Awesome!
Let's count with the monster trucks.
Yippee!
Yahoo!
Hey there, monster truck fans. I want to hear you cheer in the stands. Meet the monster trucks, all shiny and new. Here we go. I'll introduce them to you. There's Bolt, who is lightning fast. I doubt he will ever come in last. Boom Boom's next, excited as can be. He's a bit clumsy, as you will soon see. Ladybug is brave and loves to do flips. There is no end to her amazing tricks.
Yeah!
Ollie is cautious and always takes his time. He thinks things through, that's the reason why. Dragon likes to show off and often brags. Watch him go as he zigs and then zags. Buzz is a silly one, there is no doubt. He bounces and buzzes as he moves about. Star practices new tricks and is always ahead. She's helpful, kind, and so talented. Now, let's begin our counting show. The trucks will help us, and off we go. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. There's Boom Boom, who takes another try. That was great counting with your newfound friends.
Yeah!
Let's continue on before this ends. All the trucks had so much fun, but they're not ready to be done. The trucks want to do it all over again. They're ready to help us count faster up to 10. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. Oh, there's Boom Boom, who takes another try. Whew. The trucks look beat and need a rest. I'm sure you'll agree they have done their best. Now the numbers want to steal the show. Trucks, stay where you are and don't you go. Girls and boys, can you count with me? Yeah! Follow the numbers and shout quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did that well, right to the end. Do you want to go faster? I hear the numbers say. So let's try it faster, even faster today. Jump along and have more fun. Let's all start now with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Way to go, numbers, trucks, and friends. Hip, hip, hooray! And now it's the end.